Wishing you all a very sweet morning, dear students. Hope you guys are doing well. As I told you in the last video to discuss on the rest of the adjectives, so let's continue with the fifth type of adjective. It's possessive adjective. संबंध सूचक विशेषण. Possessive adjectives are used to show possession or relation. जिस एडजेक्टिव का प्रयोग अधिकार या संबंध बताने के लिए किया जाता है वह पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, माई, योर, आवर, हिज, हर, इट्स, देयर. Here are some examples given below. This is my book. That is your pen. These are our toys. My brother is tall. Your sister is beautiful. Its color is blue. Dear students, let's jump on the sixth type of adjective is distributive adjectives. वितरणवाचक विशेषण. Each, every, either and neither are called distributive adjectives when they are followed a noun. जब each, every, either और neither के ठीक बाद कोई noun प्रयुक्त रहता है तब इन्हें distributive adjectives कहा जाता है. For examples, each student had a pen. Every boy of this batch is intelligent. Either boy is laying. Neither pen writes well. The most important thing is that each, every, either and neither is called distributive pronoun when there is no use of any noun after them. So dear students, if you have any confusion between distributive pronoun and distributive adjective, you can clear your concept here. Either of you is intelligent is the example of distributive pronoun. But either boy is laying is the example of distributive adjective क्योंकि either के तुरंत बाद एक noun का प्रयोग हुआ है यानी boy. Neither of you is guilty is the example of distributive pronoun. Neither pen writes well is the example of distributive adjective क्योंकि neither के तुरंत बाद एक noun यानी pen का प्रयोग हुआ है. Hope the concept is clear now. Dear students, let's go ahead with the seventh type of adjective. Interrogative adjectives. Types of adjectives used to ask questions in a sentence are called interrogative adjectives. जिस एडजेक्टिव का प्रयोग वाक्य में प्रश्न का बोध कराने के लिए किया जाता है वह इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव या प्रश्नवाचक विशेषण कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट, विच, whose are the example of interrogative adjectives. But when they come before a noun, if there is no noun after them, they are called distributive pronouns. Dear students, if you have any confusion between interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronoun, you can clear your concept here. Some examples given below. Which is your mobile is the example of distributive pronoun. Which pen is black is the example of distributive adjective. What is in your hand is the example of distributive pronoun. Which smartphone do you want to buy is the example of distributive adjective. You can see विच पेन, विच के तुरंत बाद नाउन का प्रयोग हुआ है, इसलिए ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव है। विच स्मार्टफोन, विच के तुरंत बाद स्मार्टफोन यानी नाउन का प्रयोग हुआ है, इसलिए ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव है। ओवरऑल हमें विशेषता एक संज्ञा की ही देनी है, इसलिए विशेषता के बाद संज्ञा का आना जरूरी है। वेल, कम ऑन द 8th टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव, इट्स प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव, व्यक्तिवाचक विशेषण। Adjectives made from a proper nouns are called proper adjectives. Proper noun यानी व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा से बने हुए adjective को proper adjective कहते हैं। For examples, Indian is made from India, Canadian is made from Canada, Japanese is made from Japan, American is made from America, British is made from Britain. Here are some sentences given below. Read carefully. I am an Indian. He is a Canadian student. She studies in an American university. American English is different from British English. Now, coming to the 9th type of adjective, emphasizing adjective. Types of adjectives used to emphasize the nouns they modify are called emphasizing adjectives or emphatic adjectives. जिस एडजेक्टिव का प्रयोग वाक्य में किसी नाउन पर विशेष दबाव डालने के लिए किया जाता है, उसे हम emphasizing adjectives कहते हैं। For examples, own, very, same, etc. Here are some examples given below. Read carefully, students. I saw him with my own eyes. This is the very book I used to read a lot. This is the same book I wanted. It is his own idea. Dear students, I would like to clear your concept here. I saw him with my own eyes. मेरी खुद की आंखों से देखा. This is the very book. ये वही किताब है I used to read a lot, जिसे मैं बहुत पढ़ा करता था. This is the same book. ये वही किताब है book I wanted, जो मैं चाहता था. It is his own idea. ये उसका खुद का विचार है. That is how these are the examples of emphasizing adjectives. Dear students, last but not the least, coming to the 10th type of adjective. It's exclamatory adjective, विस्मयादि बोधक विशेषण. What is called an exclamatory adjective when it is used as an adjective in an exclamatory sentence. जब what का प्रयोग adjective की तरह किसी exclamatory sentence में होता है, तब इसे exclamatory adjective कहते हैं. For example, what an idea! What a masterpiece! What nonsense is this? What a fine day! What folly, etc. Dear students, here we completed all type of adjectives. If you like my videos, please subscribe the channel and share as much as you can. Dear students, keep watching, keep learning, and keep waiting for my next video. Thank you all.